Hi, my name is Steve Jaffe. I'm a top producer in 2 programs, and in this short video, you're going to learn how to become a top earner in any opportunity using a marketing system. Going to get into the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link below this video, enter your email address, and see the system you can use to become a top earner. Step number 1 to become a top earner is generate leads. Leads that you generate will convert into sales and signups much more effectively than leads that you buy. Use a marketing system that gives you all the lead capture websites you need to generate leads. Step 2 is to sell affiliate products. Sell courses, tools, and systems that pay you a commission on every sale. Ideally 100% commission. Only about 3% of your leads are going to be interested in your opportunity. Make money on all your marketing efforts, particularly the 97% that say no to your opportunity. Use a marketing system that's got a product line that you can promote that pays you 100%. Step 3 is to develop relationships. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. Establish that trust and that rapport by sending out helpful marketing tips. Your leads will regard you as someone who is there to help them. So powerful. Invite them to training webinars. You don't even have to do the webinars. Simplest way to go, guys, use a marketing system that does multiple live webinars every week that you can simply promote to your list. Really, really powerful. Finally, step 4, sponsor people into your opportunity. When you do the first 3 steps correctly, generate leads, sell affiliate products, develop relationships, naturally, people will start to email you, they'll Facebook message you and say, hey, I like what you're doing, or I like what you've been sending me, how do I join your team? Very easy to sponsor people when you use this approach, guys. I get content here like that very frequently. Click the link below this video, enter your email address, and see the system you can use to become a top earner. You'll get ongoing training from me. Click the link below this video, enter your email address, see the system that's created more top producers from ground zero than any system I have ever seen.